So check this out. I want to show you some boring stuff. So these are a few of our polishers that we use when we polish vehicles. They all have backing plates on them, and you get them in different sizes. These two have 5-inch ones on them. This one's my buffer. Normally it's got this wool pad on it, but to hang it up, I put the regular backing plate on it. And this is a 3-inch. This has a 3-inch one on there. And they're all designed to, 3-inch pad. There's a microfiber one, 3-inch. Here's a 5-inch. There's more 5-inch and 3-inch down there. Here's our 2-inch. I actually have some 1.5-inch ones. And then we even have our 1-inch polisher, a little nano polisher. It has little 1-inch pads. And the reason why we have this stuff is so we can get at this vehicle, any vehicle, and get every little bit of it. You can't just take a 5-inch pad and polish this whole vehicle. It just doesn't work that way. I can actually show you. So if I'm polishing the back of this tailgate, there's about 1.5-inch, 2-inch strip right here. You can't even fit a 3-inch on there. Too big. 5-inch, obviously, way too big. And if you followed us for any length of time, you know that I always tape off all this black plastic. Because even when you do it with the 1-inch, I'll show you. Even when I'm coming along here with the 1-inch, as I'm moving, that polisher is moving around, it's going to bump into this. And then even like here, coming down the side of the truck, you got this body line right here. Well, you don't want to try and work this with a 5-inch. But you can do it and get a really nice finish on it. Because there's other things that are also happening as you get close to these edges. And you want to be using a smaller pad. Like, look at these areas too, and these aren't bad. You got this area right here, perfect for a 3-inch. This area right here, another good spot for a 3-inch. You got to use different machines. You got to use different pad sizes. It's just the way it is. But that's the reason why we have all this stuff. I have all this stuff so I can give you the best results possible. So we can get into all the little areas and just make the vehicle look amazing. So I'll talk to you soon.